Hi, my name is Muskan Nehra. I am currently in grade 12 pursuing the International Baccalaureate program. My overall band score in the IELTS exam was an 8. I scored the highest, which was a band 9 in reading. The way I prepared for that section was basically to practice as many excerpts as I could provided in the kit that was provided to me by IDP. Also, I did read a lot of novels as well to increase my vocabulary and get a little bit of a gist of how I should analyze reading passages. I think I spoke in English a lot because I think that if I can speak in English, then whatever in the oral exam as well as in the other exams, my confidence will increase and obviously my grades will also increase. Basically, it would be I am a very slow writer. So allowing a keyboard there and allowing me to type and not focus on my writing speed was really helpful for me, and I think that is why I did score well in the writing. I do speak in English a lot being a citizen of the US, but I think the main part was understanding the structure of the exam, and going through the IDP website really helped me understand how the structure is, and obviously YouTube videos on how to prepare for it also helped. I guess I just followed I watched a lot of English mock speakings of IELTS on YouTube, and I just sort of understood how exactly I will be marked and scored for that. I think the most important tip is to be confident, because if we are confident, obviously we will score better than if we're very demotivated and don't feel we will be successful, and obviously you have to practice, and the more we practice, the more confident we'll be. I think the most important strategy would be practice as many IELTS exams as you can and treat English as your first language and speak and converse in it, and listen to as many audiobooks, watch as many English shows as you can to understand what words can be implemented where, and sort of increase your fluency as well as the various accents, English accents that can be portrayed. I think it would be to practice as many papers as you can and just stay confident and relaxed, because I think that will help you the most.